Okay, can I just say something crazy?
I love crazy.
All my life has been a series of doors in my face, and then suddenly I bump into you.
I was thinking the same thing, because like I've been searching my whole life to find my own place. And maybe it's the party talking or the chocolate fondue.
But with you
I found my
I
place.
see your face,
And it's nothing like I've ever known before. Love is an open door. Love is an open door. Love is an open door.
with you,
With you,
with you,
with you.
love is an open door.
I mean, it's crazy. We finish each other's.
Sandwiches.
That's what I was gonna say.
I've never met someone who thinks so much like me.
Jinx, jinx again.
Our mental synchronization can have but one explanation.